It is currently upside down, about 200 meters out on this lake.
Let's go, we're gonna get it.
Last week, I crashed my drone on a frozen lake. And with the help of my friend Teddy, we're gonna go on a rescue mission.
Wow, this is just spectacular.
Worst case is just me getting tired.
My name is Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters. Also by White Rock Dodge. And in part by...
Alright guys, if you saw the last video where I lost my drone over a frozen lake, it's literally 3 hours after I got back from that trip. Teddy saw the post and said, let's go get it. So we're going to get it. I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know how this video is gonna go, but we gotta document it.
Let's go, we're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it. So we've got a 12-foot fishing kayak, and that is basically the plan.
Paddle it out there, retrieve the drone, and yeah.
Mission accomplished. Just like that.
Accomplished.
What could go wrong? Morning guys, it's about 7 o'clock this morning. Pulled in here late last night. Got ready to sleep so we get an early early start this morning. Pretty nice out here. We're gonna get packed up, get right on the road, head up to the lake where the drone is. A little bit cramped.
A little bit cramped.
We gotta get you into an RTT ASAP.
Yes, that's right.
This is what we need.
Awesome, thank you.
I get up this morning and Teddy's out here over glamping, making the prosciutto. What do you call that?
I don't know. It's like prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Yeah.
Prosciutto. We got full-on breakfast sandwiches. We got coffee. I think we're just out here enjoying the moment.
Nice.
Our journey back to the lake will once again take us over 100 kilometers into the mountains. We're trying to make good time getting there before the weather changes and makes our mission more difficult.
Well, we made it back here again. Definitely thought we were done with this place, but we gotta get the drone. Deeper than it looks, right?
Nice and deep.
There it is, the drone recovery vessel. Let's go tobogganing.
I know, I am gonna sit in it and I'll hold it down. I hope I
Yeah?
don't hit a tree.
It's pretty bumpy. You might jump.
I might fall out.
I don't know, I guess we'll see.
I'll wear a life jacket.
So cool. You just need pilot goggles.
Yes. For the high speeds I'm gonna hit.
Yeah. It's your call. Don't break your camera. Woo! Oh no! Are you okay? All right, I'll get the winch.
That wasn't so bad. Next section.
Were you watching Cool Runnings last night?
The dirty and dangerous bobsled team.
Yeah, man.
Get my paddle, just in case.
Woo!
I'm gonna wipe out right here right there.
No! This trip was worth it just for this. So for the record, I feel extremely uncomfortable about this, but Teddy has experienced ice fishing, so he's walked on frozen lakes before. he seems to know what he's talking about, so please don't die retrieving a drone.
Worst case is just me getting tired, and then I'll have to just lay down in here and suntan for a bit, and then
So tell me what your plan is.
plan is walk in that direction with the kayak nice and close by. I am wearing neoprene waders, so I won't get cold or anything if I do fall in. And yeah, I'll just grab onto the kayak and pull myself out. If it's thin enough where I'm falling through, then I should be able to just break it. And then paddle.
Keep that thing close to you, eh?
Yeah.
Making things more precarious is the snow covering the ice and the random cracks and holes we could see in some places. This should go without saying, but please, don't walk on frozen lakes if you don't know what you're doing. It's very dangerous.
We got it! Woo! Now he's gotta make it back.
Yes? Woo! The drone. I can't believe this.
Big success.
And it's not even, it doesn't look broken.
Oh, the colors look fine.
That's crazy, man. I can't believe you just did that.
Woo!
Woo!
Victory! Feels good.
Yeah, man. Teddy just went 230 meters out on this frozen lake. Just walked straight out there like nothing. Picked up the drone and came back. Appears to be in one piece. So we'll let her dry out a little bit and see if she still flies. All right, guys, we rescued the drone. We just met up with the Epic Family road trip, and we're gonna go out on an impromptu overnight trip.
Good day.
Good?
Beautiful out.
Yeah, it's gonna be some nice views up in the mountains for sure.
Nice.
Hey, Lando. Hey, hey, hey. Ready for some adventure?
Oh, so looking forward to it.
A little hot spring action to relax at the end of the day.
It was gorgeous coming in here.
We're headed up the east side of Harrison Lake to do some exploring and ultimately camp at my favorite hot spring for the night.
right, guys, we just made a quick stop to take a look at the view here because it's such a nice day. Not bad, eh?
Oh, this is a room with a view right here.
Yeah. It actually used to be part of the ocean probably millions of years ago. And in some places around the lake, you can find fossils of clamshells and stuff.
No way.
Wow, this is just spectacular.
We couldn't have asked for a better day to take Peter and Carol out on the back roads and show them some of what the Lower Mainland has to offer.
So you guys will remember last March, probably we came through here when this landslide had just happened and spent several hours clearing trees and making the trail go through. All right, we made it. Just arrived at Clear Creek. Still a beautiful day out here. We're gonna have some lunch maybe. Teddy, what do we got going on here?
We got some, what is it? Bacon cheddar? What, no,
Jalapeno cheddar.
jalapeno cheddar.
I don't know why I asked you. I brought them.
Just having a soak, enjoying life.
Chilling in the forest, in the middle of a forest. Just got into the hot springs. Pretty nice in here. Perfect temperature. Everyone else who was up here for a day trip, because people do come up here for day trips, left, and we're gonna camp tonight and enjoy. And it's Peter's birthday. Happy birthday, Peter.
Thank you, thank you. What a place to spend your birthday.
Right?
We got some steaks, we got some potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Almost ready.
Steak and potatoes. Top side steak and potatoes. Killing the game. That is delicious. See you guys tomorrow. All right, it's morning. Little brisk out here. Nice frosty morning. If only we had some coffee and bacon, things would be perfect. Oh, look.
It's not bad with this ground tent.
Yeah. Rooftop tent next weekend, right?
That's right, yeah, it should be here by then.
Yes.
So that's exciting.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. It's been a great birthday party for Peter here at Clear Creek Hot Springs. We're gonna head down the road, and that's probably gonna be the end of this video, so make sure you guys are subscribed to Epic Family Road Trip if you wanna see their version of this trip, and also Unwinding Roads if you wanna see Teddy's version of this trip. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.